In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add age verification to Webflow. If you run a site with age-restricted content, think alcohol, vaping, or certain communities, an age gate helps you stay compliant and protect visitors. We'll set this up by installing a trusted Webflow app that handles both cookie consent and age verification in one place, so you don't need to touch custom code. Start by opening Webflow and loading the site you want to protect. From there, head to the Apps area or the Webflow app marketplace. Use the search bar and type in Concord Privacy. You're looking for the listing that highlights cookie consent and a full privacy platform to help with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. That's the one that includes an age gate feature, which we'll use for your verification screen. Click the app card to open it, then choose Open Full Listing so you can review details. On the listing page, visit the Description tab first. This gives you a clear overview of what the app does, including how age verification displays to visitors and how it integrates with Webflow. It's worth reading this carefully, especially if you need to meet regional requirements or want the gate to match your site's design. Next, switch over to the Permissions tab. Here you'll see exactly what the app can access in your project, such as the ability to read and write custom code where needed. Reviewing permissions before you install is a best practice. It ensures you understand how the app will function and keeps your workspace secure. When you're ready, click Install on site. Webflow will guide you through an authorization flow. Approve the app to continue, then choose the specific site or workspace you want to connect. If you manage multiple sites, select only the ones that need age verification to keep access tidy. Finally, confirm by authorizing the app. After authorization, the app is connected to your Webflow project. From there, it provides the tools you need to enable and customize the age gate, typically including the minimum age, the message users see, and the styling so it feels on brand. Have your legal age requirement ready, and consider a clear, friendly message for visitors who don't meet the threshold. That's it. You've added age verification to your Webflow site by installing an app built for privacy and compliance. If anything doesn't look right, double-check that you completed the authorization and selected the correct site. Otherwise, you're ready to fine-tune the age gate's look and behavior and keep your audience safe and compliant.